Hello friends, today we will gonna learn about the different grade chemicals which are used in different chemical labs for different application. So these grade are categorized according to their suitability towards particular application. So here is a first grade which is AR grade, which is known as analytical grade. This grade is used for quantitative and qualitative detection in the chemical analysis. This grade is also used in the process of synthesis. So, this grade is widely used in pharmaceuticals and different testing labs, research institutes, universities, and the academics where the chemistry practicals are important and applied chemistry practicals are important. So second grade is ACS grade. Basically this grade is manufactured after following particular guideline given by the American Chemical Society, and this grade has uniform specification all over the world. So if you go to the America, Brazil, or Europe, any of the country from Europe, you will get the same specification of the chemical having ACS grade. So this grade has higher purity than the AR grade. Third one is LR grade, which is also known as laboratory grade. This grade is known for its less purity as compared to the analytical grade and ACS grade, and it is used where the quantitative part is not that much important during chemical analysis. Fourth one is GC grade, which is also known as gas chromatographic grade. As name suggests, gas chromatography, this grade is used for the instrumental analysis, that is gas chromatography. So this grade have different solvents like acetone, acetonitrile, toluene, which is used in the analysis of gas chromatography. Second is GCHS grade, which is also known as gas chromatography headspace. And the samples which are not analyzed in GC, this can be analyzed in GCHS. So I will give you the fundamental idea behind GCHS instrumental analysis. The samples which are sparingly soluble in the solvents of GC grade, that might be soluble in the highly polar solvent like NMP, DMF, DMA, or DMSO. So these four solvents are most important in case of GCHS analysis. And in market, GCHS grade have these four compounds, namely NMP, DMA, DMF, and DMSO grade. Then HPLC, it is known as high performance liquid chromatography. So as name suggests, this kind of grade is specially suggested for HPLC analysis. HPLC is an analytical technique to separate the mixture of compound. And after separation, its qualitative and quantitative detection is determined by the detector which is attached to the HPLC. So different chemicals like acetonitrile, methanol, trifluoroacetic acid, orthophosphoric acid, and many more. These chemicals are used as mobile phage to separate the analyte. Then spectroscopic grade. We know that there is an interaction of matter with the electromagnetic radiation in case of spectroscopy. So here the interaction is more important. As we know that when electromagnetic radiation falls on sample, it will goes through the changes like electronic transition, or it might be the IR vibration. There are different modes through which this matter can be impacted by the electromagnetic radiation. So the spectroscopic grade is more inclined towards having the less absorbance, less particulate matter that may interfere in the spectroscopic analysis. Then EL grade. It is electrical grade, which is known for its suitability in the chemical analysis of electronic devices. So these are the grades which are used in a different kind of industry for different kind of application according to their suitability. These all grades have different specification on the basis of their suitability towards the application. So if you like this video, please make sure that you will like and you will subscribe my channel for such a informative video.